Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. That was really bad. Makeup tutorial all about snowflakes, blue, everything winter related. It's gonna be amazing. So before we get into this makeup tutorial, make sure to like the video if you want to see more makeup tutorials like these, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related makeup tutorials, reviews, and other stuff like that. I already primed my eyelids with the Smashbox 24-hour primer. We want to be like very icy, so going straight into the eyeshadow palette, going into the B2 shade that is like this kind of like baby blue type of color, and I'm just gonna place that straight onto my eye. And I think we're just gonna start by packing it, and then we will blend it out because I want this shade to be super super pigmented. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but my face is already done. I'm actually doing a review of something else which is gonna come Monday. Maybe I want my eye to lift up a little bit, so for now I know it's like this, but what I want to do, I want to just open my eye properly, and then I'm going very, very softly, and I'm bringing the shadow a little bit up. And I'm not forcing my eye up or anything. I'm just keeping it very relaxed. And that's how you create the shape that you want after. You sketch out, and then you place the pigment. Pack it on till you have the desired color, because at first, of course, with the skin under, it might turn a little bit greenish, but then just make sure that you pack the shade very slowly. You take your time to do this, and it's just the color is gonna be there, the pigmentation is gonna be there. It just takes a while to build up, but then after that the look is just gonna be so pretty. I changed because you can't see anything, but anyways. So now right now it looks crazy, but we're really not done. There's gonna have some lashes and stuff. We have to trust the process, because if you don't trust it, you're gonna apply makeup and you're gonna be like, ee, what is happening over there? But then at the end of the day and at the end of the makeup, it just all comes together and you're like, oh my god, I never thought it would go that way. Like, I thought it was gonna look like that for the rest of the day, and it just doesn't work. But anyways, always trust the process. Sometimes you place a color, it doesn't work, just blend it out, add something else, and it can truly change the look, and it can definitely surprise you. Just like snow one morning when you're like, oh my god, it's sunny, it's like 14 degrees, and the next day it's -5 and there's like 30 centimeters of snow in front of your yard. You're like, oh my god, that's took me by surprise. Right, so for the next shade that we will take for this snowflake moment is this shade, and this one is A3. It's something a little bit more shimmery. It's a blue shimmer that will go, oh my god, that's a lot. That will go well with this, so I'm just gonna take the brush that I have with the light blue. There's still some pigment left on there, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna mix it really, really well with this. Pack it on your finger and then put it on if you want more pigmentation there. Just like that. Snowflakes have many layers, and it's just so sparkly, especially when you look at snow outside. So I'm applying this right there for my eyelids to be darker. So taking my fluffy brush, then I'm just gonna be mixing this with the light blue just a little bit, so it looks like there's unity there. I know it looks crazy. I know, but it's all going to come together once we're finished. So if there's like any fallout, you remove it with a little brush. I think that this palette, we're done with it because the lighter colors that are in this palette are not blue enough. So what I recommend you to do, if you don't have something light enough or anything, you can always go into a highlighter palette, and the one that I'm going to be using is the Moonchild palette and the shade Blue Ice, which is this one right here. The reason why I'm using this is because it's a very, very light blue that will mix very well with everything that we have at the moment on the eyes, everywhere basically. So I'm gonna take a little tiny fluffy brush going into that, and I'm gonna be putting this right on top of the blue that I had right here. And this is gonna turn the makeup look into a frosty one while blending everything together. Take the shade Blue Moon, which is the purplish shade on the side. This one is gonna be a little bit darker and it's gonna help blend out everything. I feel like it looks purple, but it's not really that purple. And then you go all around. Make it frosty. Make it really, really frosty. It literally looks like a blizzard hit my face. And I think that was my intention from deep inside my subconscious. Like a blizzard hit my face. I'm going to pack it so it looks really, really vibrant. So the blizzard finally hit my face. So now I wanted to go towards the Suva Beauty eyeliner because I feel like it's gonna change the look entirely. And I was gonna use the blue one, which is called Tracksuit, and the Space is Panda one for the white one. So we're gonna start with the Tracksuit one, which is the blue one. And I'm gonna be putting this really close to my lash line here, creating a really nice blue liner. But I'm not gonna wing it out. I'm only gonna keep it rounded to have my eye more of like, I would say a round snowflake. A round snowflake. I'm gonna put some dots with the blue one. And this is where I'm gonna have my snowflakes. White eyeliner. Now the blue is literally gone. There's nothing else. That's cute. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Snowflakes are never perfect, so I mean, and instead of highlighter, I'm just gonna put the mini tiny snowflakes in the inner corner. And then I bring it all the way under the lash line very precisely. And this is gonna open my eye and give a contrast. So it's like the snow. It's like the snow. There's like a cover of snow under my eyes. I blend it with the eyeshadow that I have under. So that means I pass back with the rest of what I already have. And then you can go back with the eyeshadow that you had earlier. And then you place some back on the liner. And that changes its color a little bit. And it just really opens up the eye, but it really in a nice way. We'll take back the little blue little highlighting palette, and I'm gonna go with some of the blue eyes and then Blue Moon, mixing them both. And I'm gonna put that on my skin so everything, literally everything is connected. And I'm gonna make sure that it goes all the way to my eye. Before I reapply the gloss that I had, I'm gonna be relining my lips, but a little bit more to have more of like a doll-like mouth. So lips that are gonna be bigger. And let's take a very icy color. This one is like a little white, light pink. It's called Melancholia from Kat Von D, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lips before I apply anything else. And I'm gonna mix another blush. So this one is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush, and it's just gonna be really pretty. We gotta have like that icy feeling. Baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. It's cold. I mean, Fenty Beauty. This is the shade Confetti. And then after that, I'll go put my lashes off camera and I will be finished with the look. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. That was really bad. So this is the makeup look completed. All frosty, everything. This is the Let It Snow makeup look. So if ever you want to know every single product that I use, everything will be listed down below. And of course, if you like this makeup tutorial and this makeup look, make sure to like the video and to comment down below what you would want to see next in the makeup tutorial area, makeup reviews, anything. And also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. So thank you so much again for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.